Once upon a sunny day, in a buzzing hive nestled in a meadow, Buzz the honeybee returned from gathering nectar to find his hive in chaos. Whoa! What's going on here? Buzz asked, seeing the baby bees rolling in pollen and playing tag.
We found a flower patch, Buzz. It's so much fun, exclaimed the baby bees, their wings fluttering excitedly.
But we need to make honey for the hive, Buzz reminded them gently.
Honey, can't we play a little longer? One baby bee pleaded.
Buzz shook his head. Playing is important, but so is our work. We need to help each other. The baby bees looked at each other, then nodded. Okay, Buzz. We'll help. Together, they gathered nectar, laughing and chatting as they worked. Soon, the hive was filled with the sweet aroma of honey. Great job, everyone, Buzz said, smiling proudly. The baby bees beamed with satisfaction, knowing they had helped their hive. And from that day on, they balanced playtime with their responsibilities, making their hive the happiest in the meadow.